All right, guys, so what's going on here is we're getting some gas in John's car, and we're also getting some gas in TJ's car because we're heading out to the dyno. We're gonna put these things and see what kind of power we could get out of them. Alright guys, so we're heading out. It took us forever to get some E85, but he's full 80%, 80.86. Yo, so look who joined us, man. Javi Vibes. We came out to the dyno to see the boys make some power and detune that a little bit. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm with John and the dyno with his DA. What are we looking at right now, dog?
We're looking like, I hate my car on the dyno. I get on the highway, I love to hit it, but on the dyno, you get to see the motor and hear it making all the noise up close. It gets me a little nervous, but we're just really cleaning up drivability. I haven't been retuned since I put the Wiseco high compression pistons in here. It was only tuned on B16 pistons previously, so that, and I have the new big tube header that we got from Freeman. So
new setup, yep. VelocityShop.com.
Yeah, Velocity Shop hooked that up real quick. It's a Blocks high-tech rep tri-wide long tube header. It's the best header for this compression and literage. But
so we have not done any run yet. What is your expectation?
Well, previously it made like 196, close to 200 in that range. Anything over that's good for me. I'm hoping anywhere in the 200s. That's really what I want. So I think,
but with good drivability.
That's the thing. I have AC, power steering. You know, everything but cruise control.
Let's backtrack a little bit. Let's backtrack a little bit. Yeah. Let the audience know what setup do you have here. Simple setup.
So it is a stock bore, 1.8 liter LS Vtec. So it's the original block, 1.8 liter block from this car, the LS block that came with, but with bigger pistons, or higher compression pistons.
What piston that is again?
They're Wiseco 12 5-to-1, and they're Skunk 2 Alpha Series rods. Stock.
Okay.
And a fully built B16 first gen head.
Foul train.
Skunk 2 Alpha Series springs, retainers, lost motion assemblies, Skunk 2 Pro 1 cams, and Super Tech stainless steel valves.
Got it. I do see you have those coils.
Yeah, that's the Honda coil on plug setup with a rye wire harness for it.
AC, power steering. What transmission are you running?
It is a 2000 JDM Civic Type R
EK9
EK9 transmission with a Hasport cable to hydro conversion, so it still has the original cable on it, but through a mechanism there.
Is it a better setup? Because I know they got a couple of different setups.
You know, I guess it's like opinion.
Do you like this setup?
I love this setup.
Okay.
It works good because the other one is you got to take the dashboard out to get it to go. It's custom.
Got it. Yeah.
This is easy. It's bolt in.
And I think the reservoir sits inside the dash too.
It sits inside, above your fuse box.
Ooh.
So if it ever fails, it leaks on your fuse box and
Right.
causes all kinds of problems.
Right. What intake manifold are you running?
That is a Skunk 2 Alpha Series, or I should say Street Alpha Series manifold. Ultra. Sorry, Skunk 2 Ultra Street manifold that I took and ported and I painted it black. And with the Skunk 2 70mm throttle body.
Got it. Really nice setup.
Part of my Comtech intake.
You guys took the upper portion out because
It's
of dyno?
From what I was noticing, I couldn't really hear my Vtec changeover, and I think this has a velocity stack built into it, and once it gets to breathe a little more, it changes over a little bit better. I don't know if it makes more power or not.
Right.
So now I'm utilizing the ram air to this filter exposed like that.
I know you guys. I know you guys have new setup on your wheels. Can we take a look at that? That's really cool.
Some kind of race car. Vintage.
Right. That's an OG look for sure.
Yeah.
You know, 90s.
That's the idea.
Well, haven't made the first run yet. I know the guys are getting the thing set up. Stay tuned. That's what we got. Oh yeah. All right, so we got the result. So what is it, man?
So it made 204 horsepower at 137 torque. You know, and that's all right. They say I can pick it up more if I put a 3-inch exhaust and a different intake with the velocity stack.
You know what's important? Are you happy with the result?
Yeah. It's dependable, clean power on the setup I have. If I want more power, I might have a new exhaust coming, might give me a little bit more. But, you know, I'm good with what it is.
This is kind of what we built it for. We really built it so that he could beat the hell out of it, and it was clean and tight.
AC
no
power
smoke.
steering.
That's right.
Absolutely.
That motor ran great. There wasn't a drop of smoke that came out.
Yeah, and you've driven it to Daytona twice.
Orlando.
You know.
And beauty about this, it starts up every single time.
Yep.
Every
Now it starts
single
up
time.
even better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, you know what time it is now. So woo! That was a little shock.
You heard that?
Ooh. So how was it?
198, man.
Ooh, well, you were wrong. He was right.
Yeah, he was right. But that's signs of a healthy motor.
Wow, 198. That's strong. I think.
That's
for just an intake, AEM intake. That's really strong, man.
That's probably the most that car's ever seen. Like you know, being ragged on every race after I picked it up, garage kept. So.
Yeah, well, you know, how are we gonna ruin that now?
Nah.
Let's see what else we got on a dyno.
Let's go.
Hatch on K.
Let's do it.
That was beautiful.
Damn, bro.
That was nice. It's almost like you do this for a living.
Do I face it up so it could be all the air?
Actually, it does make more power that way.
Good.
Drew, what's the number now?
That's another one that lost it years ago.
All right, guys. Overall, it's a good night. What we got, man?
My car survived.
What is it?
Made a couple more
204?
204 on the B series with AC power steering.
How about you, Mr. K20?
198.
All stock with an intake. What about
And
Fabio?
the big cheese over here.
Oh yeah.
240. How much was it?
243.
Yeah, 243.
I was surprised too. Out of nowhere, it says, "Hey man, I just strap it down and."
That's right. Street tuned by the almighty Will.
Thank you, Will.
All right, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Later.